Hello. To insert text and use your own custom text or like a TTF file in Aseprite, what you do is you go to Edit, then you go down to Insert Text. You type your text here, which I may say test. I have the font size, which is 128 pixels. Then if you want to choose a font file like a TTF file off your desktop or somewhere on your computer, you click this and then a pop-up will show and then you select it. I have this on my desktop. I'm using the Press Start 2P regular font. I have it selected, and when I hit OK, it'll insert the text centered. Now, if you have the font installed on your desktop or like in your system, like you have to install it through your operating system. If you click this drop down, you'd be able to search for it and find it here. As you can see, there are a lot of fonts already installed that come with your computer. That varies from operating system, which I am using Windows. Here, you could choose your color, which is just black. You could choose that feature if you want. Then you hit OK. Then you have the font and the color right here. Now, just to tell you, I made this on its own layer. I added a background layer, which is just white, and this is just a transparency layer. But yeah, that's how you do that. It's pretty straightforward. If you're running into issues, you may want to look at your font file. I'm using a .ttf, which I believe is a TrueType font. Most font files should work, but like if the font file is corrupted, it may not work. That could happen, and you may need to go back again and re-download that font file and bring it to your desktop. I hope this video helps you. You may see that I have a new computer. It's been a little while since I've recorded a video, and I have lost 2 computers. Well, yeah, one was a tea accident, not my tea. But just water got on it, and the other one, it just reached its end of life. So yeah, I'm on a new computer. I'm on a Windows computer, just telling you. So when I made this video, this was Aseprite in Windows. If you're doing this on Mac, I have noticed that it should be the same mostly, but there may be a few differences. Just be aware. It should be straightforward, but I've said that before, and I've run into issues when kind of hopping between Mac and Windows. I do have a newer Mac that I use occasionally for development and testing, but yeah, I'm on a Windows right now. I hope this video helps you. Thank you. Bye.